Transferring money from gift card to PayPal is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can transfer money from your gift card to PayPal. So for that, you have to be at your PayPal and you need to go to your wallet. And in wallet section, it will just take a time to load. Now here you just have to, click on this link a card, and now you will see these options. Now here you just have to, click on this link a card or debit card. What it will do is it will ask you what type of credit or debit card that you want to link. Now here you just have to click on this debit or credit card, and they will probably ask for your debit or credit card's information. So you just need to, put the debit or credit card's information. The PayPal gift card is pretty simple. So let me show you how the PayPal gift card looks like. This is how the PayPal gift card should look like. It should have, all the necessary information that you get in a credit or debit card as well. So you just need to, put this information. It will also have a CVV in the back side of the card. So that's how you guys can, add your gift card money to your PayPal account. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can add your gift card money into PayPal account. Hope you guys find this video helpful.